We're going to explain how to identify duplicate rows in Excel. There are several ways to do this, ranging from simple visual checks to using powerful Excel features. Let's explore a few methods. 1. Visual inspection for small datasets. For very small datasets, you might be able to spot duplicates by carefully scrolling through your spreadsheet. This method is only practical for datasets with a very limited number of rows and is inefficient for larger spreadsheets. 2. Conditional formatting. This is a great way to highlight duplicates visually. First, select the entire data range you want to check for duplicates. Then, go to Home. Conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules. Duplicate values. Excel will then highlight all cells that have duplicate values within the selected range. This helps you spot rows with duplicates quickly, because if multiple cells in a row are highlighted, you know that's a duplicate row. Remember, this method highlights cells, so you need to look at entire rows to identify duplicate rows. 3. Using the COUNTIF function for specific columns. If you want to find duplicates based on the value in a specific column, like a product ID or customer name, the COUNTIF function is very useful. Let's say your data is in columns A to D, and you want to check for duplicates in column A. In column E, next to your first data row, enter the formula COUNTIF, a $1, A1, and A1. This formula counts how many times the value in cell A1 appears from the top of column A down to the current row. If the result is greater than 1, it means it's a duplicate. Drag this formula down to apply it to all rows. Values greater than 1 in column E indicate a duplicate entry in column A. Note that it only checks for duplicates within column A, not across the entire row. 4. Using the filter function for entire rows. For identifying duplicate entire rows, the filter function is quite effective, especially in newer versions of Excel. Say your data is in columns A to D, from row 1 to row 100. You can use a helper column, let's say column E, to concatenate the values in each row using the concatenate function. So in cell E1, you would type concatenate A1, B1, C1, D1, and drag this down. Then in another cell, e.g. G1, use the filter function to find duplicates. Filter A1, D100, COUNTIF, $1, E100, E1, E101. This formula displays only the rows whose concatenated values appear more than once in column E. Remember to adjust the ranges, A1, D100, E1, E100, according to your actual data range. 5. Advanced techniques, Power Query, VBA. For extremely large datasets or complex scenarios, Power Query, Get and Transform Data, or VBA, Visual Basic for applications. Scripting offers the most powerful options for identifying and managing duplicates. These methods are more advanced and require some programming knowledge. These are several options to help you find duplicate rows in Excel, ranging from simple visual checks to using the powerful features Excel offers. Choose the method that best suits your data size and comfort level with Excel functionalities.